In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your website using the Wix website editor. This is a fundamental feature that can enhance your site's interactivity by allowing visitors to easily get in touch with you or your business. Let's dive into the process. To begin, head over to your Wix website editor. Once you've logged into your account and have your website open, you'll be greeted by the editor's interface. It might seem a bit overwhelming if you're new to it, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step clearly. In the top menu, locate the down arrow button. You'll want to click on this arrow to reveal additional options. This menu allows you to access different parts of your site and modify them with ease. Now, from the drop-down, click on Manage Pages. This section is where you control the structure and organization of the pages on your website. Once in the Manage Pages section, you'll see a button labeled Add Page. Click on this to start the process of adding a new page to your website. It's always a good idea to keep the structure and naming of your pages straightforward for easy navigation. A new dialog will open, presenting you with different page templates. Select the one that suits your needs best. Now that you've added a page, look for an option or section that allows you to add a contact. A contact form is an essential tool for communication, and Wix provides several customizable templates to choose from. Once you've selected the contact form template of your choice, click on Done to finalize your selection. After that, you'll want to move the contact form to your desired position on the page. This is a simple drag and drop process, allowing you to position it exactly where you'd like it to appear. It's important to place your form where it's easily visible and accessible to visitors. Next, there's an option to highlight the form, which you can click on. Highlighting the form can make it stand out and catch the visitor's attention more effectively. And just like that, you've successfully added a contact form to your site. To finish, you might want to fine-tune your settings. Simply right-click on the contact form to see various settings options. Here, you can adjust different parameters, like the form submission settings, to tailor functionality to your specific needs. You can configure notifications, customize messages, and decide where submissions will be sent. And that's it. You now have a functional contact form on your site. This feature will surely enhance visitor interaction and make it easier for people to reach out to you. Keep exploring the other customization options available on Wix to make your website truly your own.